Hi mga Vax! Welcome back! So, today is a working day, another working day. And papunta tayo ngayon sa ating subject. Sarat! Meron pa subject. So, ito si Thor. Meet Thor. Our new subject. Sarot. Ayan. Mute lang tayo, baka mahulog. At ayan, gagawa lang tayo ng Hi mga Vax! Welcome back! So, today is a working day, another working day. And papunta tayo ngayon sa ating subject. Sarat! Meron pa subject. So, ito si Thor. Meet Thor. Our new subject. Sarot. Ayan. Mute lang tayo, baka mahulog. At ayan, gagawa lang tayo ng videos, clips, and photos para sa work. And ayan. Ayan, ito ang itsura. We're gonna do a little bit montage or taking photos. Ayan. So, ganito siya kadumi. And we're gonna make it into something. Ayan. We're gonna turn over this place into a nice, a comfortable place. This is the bathroom, so you can see. And this is the master's bedroom. Yes. So, I just need to take a photo here actually. And look at the mirror. Okay, here. So, I just need to make a video here and photos and wait for Stefan and we're gonna start. Or probably, yeah, this we don't make the things. Those we need, macaron. I kind of like this one. It's an old stuff. I don't know, it's like a scissors or what. Yeah, it is like a scissors or something. Let's go to the other room, guys. For that, we're gonna take a photos and videos. So this is the look looks like here. It's so masikip. Hi mga Vax! So tapos na tayo take ng photos and videos for the before and next will be the after, but of course it is after cleaning everything and we're gonna come back here to take out everything, the rubbish and everything, but before that we have to go to the laundry shop. No, to our laundry, which is at Dock B. So Dock B, there's also It is where Stefan also, he's doing the sun tonic, the motorboat, the beautiful one, handsome one, a cool one. Charat! So now, yeah, I'm just heading now, and it's just near actually because that's C, and this is B, of course, A, B, C, D. So I'm just gonna come here, finish the laundry or change, then come back home and talk to Stefan. What should I do? Come back and clean whatsoever. But before we can enter, so before you can enter, guys, the dock, you need to have a key. That's wait. What is my key? I have two keys. This is key. Hi, it's not working, guy. We have to do something. Wait. So we're gonna go to the dock, to let us to check everything here also. And we're gonna come back to C to finish the work there. But we have to take out everything, the rubbish, all the things, unnecessary things. It has to be like plenty, super clean, crystal clear, something like that. But let's finish first our thing here. So this is the other boat. We have third boat also, fourth boat actually. So we are taking care of 4 boats, 4 yachts, which is the Santonic, this one. So this is the laundry, and this is the washing thing. This is our bed sheets and everything and more. So yeah, magtula kayo later on. Hi mga vax. So actually, katangahan ko mga bakla. Tapos na siya. Ngayon, since hindi ko siya mabuksan, pinindot pa ni bakla ang start button. Nag-start ulit. Ayan. So gano'ng katagal? 1 hour and 45 minutes. 1 hour and 45 minutes. We're gonna come back here to do it. But of course, we're gonna do editing first. And also send photos to Stefan to finish everything.
Oh, it's okay.
That's it. So, let's go. And send the photos to Stefan. And probably we're gonna do editing, finish that, and ask Stefan if we're gonna do the other boat, the tour today. So we have to take out everything. I don't know that guy. It's like he's just waiting there. So let's go. I'll see you there. Hi mga vlogs, welcome back. So ayan, balik tayo sa Dock C because maglilinis tayo. Trabaho, mga bayot. Hindi puro paganda, bakasyon. Okay. Trabaho din tayo. Puta ina, nangyari dito. Ay, bukas naman pala. So ayan, kagandahan ay sa kabila lang tayo. Yung Dock B. At ito ata yung merong isang boat dito na nagpapakilala siya sa online. Ay, online. Tapos, ayun. Parang itong barko na to, ito. May isang lalaki na nasa Qatar siya ngayon, businessman. I don't know anong trabaho niya. Pero nasa Qatar siya ngayon. Travel siya dahil. Tapos, nagpakilala siya online. Sabi niya, nakita daw niya kami dito, lover, di ba? So, super popular niya ang inyong akula dito sa Espanya. Ay. Dito sa aking tinitirahan. So, meron akong apartment, pero of course, hindi kami palagi nandoon kasi busy hours. Busy gumala, charot. At ayun, simulan na natin to. Mag-forensic, something, charot. Charot lang mga bakla. So, ayun lang, update ko na lang kayo later on pa. Kasi lalabas lahat natin ang mga... Hi mga bakla, welcome back. So, today is a working day and ayan, update ko lang kayo. Hi! Okay, so we just finished the inside here and it's drying up. Ta-da! We just finished this one. Look at that. So we're just drying it, but I think I need to do something here. Hi mga bakla, welcome back. So today is a working day and ayan, update ko lang kayo. Hi! Okay, so we just finished the inside here and it's drying up. Ta-da! We just finished this one. Look at that. So we're just drying it, but I think I need to do do something here. It's too wet. It will not dry. That's for sure. So this is the look now, and this is the look here. The dining room. This is the kitchen. The CR is now. Welcome back. So yeah, we're resting now because it's almost 2 p.m. So we started at 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, so it's 4 hours, and we kinda hungry already. So we have to go, and of course, have a lunch break, and we will decide if we're gonna come back here to clean more or to rest more because we have a lot of things to do. So that's it. See you then later on. Okay, bye! Quick up mga bakla. So we're going back to the Salamat City. Kasi kakain tayo. Tong Jones na akes. Ang green akes. So magluluto pa ang inyong housewife slash worker slash everything. Slash so sila yun si Salamat City.